before she married Steve Harvey, they was dating, because you be mindful of it.
Where did I meet you?
Oh,
First time we met?
Memphis,
Where?
at a comedy club.
Okay.
The glamorous world of Steve Harvey's family has taken a dramatic nosedive as his wife, Marjorie Harvey, is caught in a tumultuous family feud that's putting their picture-perfect image on the line. Accusations of infidelity are rocking the foundation of her marriage to Steve Harvey, sending shockwaves throughout the entertainment industry. The once enviable couple's reputation is now under intense scrutiny, leaving fans and critics alike to wonder how this sensational saga will play out. Whispers from unconfirmed sources hint at a brewing scandal involving Marjorie, who allegedly strayed from her marital vows with none other than Steve's own bodyguard and private chef. Despite her building a reputation of herself, some wild secrets and a scandalous past have put the drapes on. So let's go back in time to find out everything from the beginning to this day. Well, the ride may get exciting, so do prepare yourself. At the time of her first marriage, Marjorie was just 18 years old when she came across a guy who was 14 years old.
Before she married Steve Harvey, they was dating, because you be mindful of it. All this time we talking, even while she was dating. I could call him anytime, day or night. Me and Laura's daddy talked, and I thanked him for looking out for the family. We had that kind of...
Even though Jim and Marjorie's marriage had its ups and downs, no one saw it coming that her ex-husband would get convicted one day. Soon, the FBI and DEA started investigating Marjorie and the drug kingpin Jim L. Townsend, who was already arrested for an attempt to buy 40 kilograms of cocaine. When the higher authorities whispered to Jim that Marjorie was also life, he first married his first wife, Marcia, in 1980. They welcomed twin girls, Carly and Brandy, after a few years. At the time, Steve struggled to make a name for himself and worked as an insurance salesman. But after trying stand-up comedy and winning a $50 first-place prize, he quit his job to pursue a life in comedy. Marcia and Steve's relationship was not smooth, and it ultimately led to their divorce in 1994. Steve allegedly began seeing his second wife, Mary Shackelford, while his divorce from his first wife, Marcia, was still pending. But later on, the cracks in their relationship began to show. And Mary slowly realized that Steve was not the man she thought he was. Tales of his disloyalty reached back, accusing Steve of cheating and physical and psychological abuse. Meanwhile, Marjorie and Steve first met in 1990, when Steve was playing at a bar in Memphis, Tennessee, and later got married in 2007. The charming couple described their first interaction on an episode of Steve Harvey's talk program, The Steve Harvey Show, in 2018.
Where did I meet you?
Oh,
First time we met?
Memphis,
Where?
at a comedy club.
Okay. How did we meet? Tell them exactly how we met. Tell them first thing I said to you. Tell them how we met.
I was late.
You were late. Came to a comedy club. She came down front with her girlfriend.
Yeah.
When I saw her, I quit breathing.
He stopped the show, actually.
I wasn't
Okay.
even talking.
So I came with my girlfriend. I was late, and I thought he was going to give me the business because he got real quiet. He was just staring at me, so I was waiting on him to, how they, okay, what time should...
Listed legal assistance from a relative's attorney, reminiscent of her alleged past tactics to fend off Steve's ex-wife in court battles. In a shocking twist that has sent shockwaves through the entertainment world, rumors are swirling that Marjorie Harvey, the classy wife of Steve Harvey, is allegedly having a scandalous affair with none other than Steve's own bodyguard, William Big Boom Freeman. And if you haven't heard of this guy, an investigation by Radar Online has revealed some disturbing facts about Freeman's past. It has been revealed that Freeman, who acts as Harvey's right-hand man, has a dark history as a former pimp and openly confesses to abusing women. According to his own website bio, Freeman admits to having preyed on women to gain a sense of power and self during his time as a pimp. He claims that he has since turned his life around, positioning himself as a celebrated speaker, author, and celebrity bodyguard. Freeman's bio highlights his ability to provide conspicuous or inconspicuous protecting services to high-profile clients, depending on the threat level or potential danger. Marjorie Harvey were able to blend their children from prior marriages, and Harvey replied, "That shet hard." He became genuine, acknowledging that not everyone clicked the way he would have liked. In truth, all the girls were not present at the same moment, including Lori and Morgan, Marjorie's kids, and his biological daughters, twins Brandy and Carly. He also recalled that when he and Marjorie were dating, all 7 of the kids joined and went bowling together. However, Steve also mentioned that all the girls went bowling, came back and decided they didn't want us to get married, and said they don't think it's the right thing to do, and they need more time to get to know us. However, despite their kids' objection, Steve and Marjorie went on with their wedding, and soon, Steve also adopted the kids. Even though Steve was ready for a blended family, it led to many problems within the family, like Steve prioritizing Marjorie and her daughter Lori more than his own children. But now people are claiming that Marjorie's cheating is simply karma for Steve, who cheated and left Mary Lee entangled with financial and emotional trauma. Don't you think they are right about this?